Okay, so today's video is going to cover slope-intercept from 2 points, and at this point it should be fairly redundant. If it's asking you to find the equation for a line and it gives you those 2 points, pretty much as long as we utilize the regression equation in Desmos, we can deduce the 2 elements that we need. So we need to be able to complete this equation, we need m and we need b. So we need to find the slope and we need to find the intercept, and the way we're going to do that in this particular video is just by utilizing that regression equation that I've got over here on the sketch pad. So this is the regression equation that we're going to use. The difference is this just little squiggly is not an equation, or it's not an equal sign. So first step would be just to quickly type that in. That squiggly is right next to the number 1 key, mx1 plus b, and we've got the y1 and x1 in, so that when we add this table, I've actually got to change these to 1s. We've got to make sure that we've got our equation synced to this table, and then I just go ahead and put in these coordinate points that it gives me. So -1 and 6, and 7 goes with -2, and so now we can use the regression to find what m is. M is -1, and so I'm just going to type this equation in. Y equals -1 is m times x, and the b value is +5. And when I type that equation in, it creates another line, and that line is perfectly on top of that line, that regression line. So I know that my answer is correct. I'm going to go ahead and Control A for highlight, Control copy. I'm going to jump over here and Control V for paste. It says please check your answer. Oh, I've got the y equals in. I don't need that part in. It's already provided. Boom. So here we've got new coordinates. So we're just adjusting the table to include those new values that we've got. -9 goes with -9. Really, the only way you can make mess these problems up is if you type the coordinates in incorrectly. We can see that our slope is -3, so we can replace that -1 with a +3, and our y-intercept is not 5 anymore, it's +18. And then as I type that equation in, you can see that it's matching up perfectly, which means that this is the answer. This is the correct answer. So I'm just going to transfer that over. The y equals is already there, +18, and boom. Okay, the big mistake that students are going to make here is they're going to forget to type in the x. Don't forget to type in the x. So we're replacing m and b. I'm going to go ahead and change out the coordinates. So this is -10. -10 goes with -7. -5 goes with 9. Sorry, -9. Okay, we've got an m value of -0.4, and our b value is negative this time, so it's not a plus, it's a minus now because the b value is -11. I'm going to click the line on. As I click the line on, it matches up perfectly with that regression line, which means that I've found the correct m and b values. I'm going to put in the m, -0.4. I'm going to make sure that that x is right there, and the b value is not positive, it's -11.
My math is stupid.
And that's pretty much how you graph slope-intercept from 2 points. Good luck.